Hi everyone, my name is Nikki. I'm a 3D architect from Icospace, and now I would like to introduce you our new course for implementation of SketchUp, V-Ray and Twinmotion in architectural design workflow. No matter what kind of software you are using, this tree could significantly improve your ability to create, to produce, and to deliver on time much more successful projects than ever before. In addition, Icospace has developed this course according to the last applicable standards into architectural design industry, such as Plan of Work, published by Royal Institute of British Architects concerning the project stages and the scope of work into these stages, and a practical approach to the building information modeling developed by American Institute of Architects. So, Icospace developed this course with just one purpose: to give you an opportunity and solution how you can create much more successful projects and how you can raise your ability and your business to the next level. Of course, if you want. During this course, we will cover all the project stages related to the preliminary building design and to the plan of work published by Royal Institute of British Architects. We will start from the very beginning with SketchUp main settings. We will create our own architectural design template, and then we will continue with client assignment, with information received by geodesy department. We will create our 2D urban plan, and later on we will turn this 2D urban plan into the 3D representation. I will show you how you can use the main SketchUp features concerning the geolocation of the project. We will create our topography, we will create our contour lines in 3D, and so on. Then we will continue with this 3D representation of our urban plan with all the plot features and roads, pedestrians, and stuff like this. Then we will create our 3D modeling. We will start 3D modeling of our building. It will be 3 levels building, and we will create our floor plans and all the necessary building elements such as walls, doors, windows, floor finishes, ceilings, and so on. Then we will position our building over the plot, and we will create our landscape design, including all the necessary retaining walls, gardens, outdoor stairs, fences, railings, and so on. Then we will create our building accessories such as frames, outdoor lights, and so on. We will create our interior design as well, with all the furnitures, equipment, accessories, lighting fixtures, etc. Then we will use SketchUp layout in order to create 2D representation plans of our projects, or in other words, to create our drawing set for the client. And I will show you how you can work with SketchUp layout and how easy you can produce your 2D drawing set, including all the necessary stuff such as dimensions, areas, rooms, and so on. Finally, we will create our project visualization in order to represent our project in front of the client. We will create our exterior visualization by using Twinmotion. I will show you the program interface, the main features, the main settings of the program, and you will see how easy you can work and how easy you can produce actually your visualization, exterior visualization of the project. Finally, we will create our visualization concerning the interior design of the building by using V-Ray, and I will show you the main interface, the main tools of V-Ray, and you will see how can produce actually for a certain period of time a very good level of quality visualization for your building interior. And by this way we actually will produce the whole our presentation for the client concerning the preliminary design of this project. This will include our 3D model, the 2D drawing set, and the visualization of the project concerning exterior of the building with the landscape, with the site representation, all the plans into the site and so on, and interior design of our building. So hopefully you enjoy this time, and we will finally at the end of this course you will find your way how you can integrate SketchUp, V-Ray, and Twinmotion in your architectural design workflow in order to have to increase your ability and to rise your business to the next level, and by this way to have an opportunity for better creation, production, and realization of your project and ideas. Bye.